Number 1, when. I had fun when we had a birthday party. When. Number 2, where. Where are you going? Where. Number 3, which. Which snack would you like to have today? Which. Number 4, white. The bunny had white fur. White. Number 5, what? What is your name? What? Number 6, graph. A way to organize your math data is to put it in a graph. Graph. Number 7, photo. I took a photo with my camera. Photo. Number 8, whip. I like to whip cream and put it on top of my strawberries. Whip. Number 9, phone. I called my aunt on the phone. Phone. And number 10, sphere. That soccer ball is the shape of a sphere. Sphere. Okay, let's double check those words. Number 1, when. 2, where. 3, which. 4, white. 5, what. 6, graph. 7, photo. 8, whip. 9, phone. And 10, sphere.